Learn English with Titanic Movie. Choose the correct vocabulary. Part 3 of 10. Remember the words. You'll be tested later in this video. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Forbidden. Artist. Famous. Giant. Panic. Rose's love for Jack was blank by her family because he was poor. A. Artist. B. Forbidden. C. Famous. Correct answer, forbidden. Jack was a talented blank who loved to draw people. A. Panic. B. Giant. C. Artist. Correct answer, artist. The Titanic was a very blank ship, known all around the world. A. Famous. B. Forbidden. C. Panic. Correct answer, famous. The ship was so big, it was like a blank floating city. A. Artist. B. Famous. C. Giant. Correct answer, giant. When the ship started to sink, there was a lot of blank on board. A. Panic. B. Forbidden. C. Artist. Correct answer, panic. Like, comment and subscribe.